Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a fast and easy egg baking sandwich, okay? So since it's Veganuary, about 370,000 people has went vegan for this month. So let's go ahead and get started. Right now what we're going to do is go ahead and get some of the ingredients. First thing is the Whole Foods whole wheat hamburger bun. All right, these are super low in carbs, a lot lower than your regular breads. Also, we're going to get the Smart Bacon by Lightlife. All right, this is something that you can find at your local grocery store. It's a great alternative for bacon, especially if you're a pork lover. And then we're going to come over here, go in the cabinet, and for eggs, in previous episodes I have used tofu before in the past, but in today's episode we're going to use Follow Your Heart. Follow Your Heart vegan eggs. All right, so we're going to definitely use that. Now, to make the eggs, you're just going to follow the directions. It's pretty simple. So what we're going to do is go ahead and grab a measuring spoon in here. All right, and then we're going to grab a bowl. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and turn on the oven, put on medium heat, let the pan warm up. Open this up. I want to show y'all how it looks like inside, all right? So it looks just like this. Comes in this little powder right here, all right? It's made with soy protein, and you definitely don't have to worry about soy, all right? It's not going to make you into a woman, okay? So with that said, let's go ahead and make these eggs, all right? So we're going to do 4 tablespoons of that. And the reason is with the soy is because a lot of people mistaken soy because it has a lot of estrogen in it, and that's not true. It has phytoestrogen, which is a plant hormone. It actually plays more beneficial to the human body. So it's actually not very harmful, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do 4 tablespoons of that. And then it says a half a cold water, so we're going to go ahead and put like a whole cup since we put in 4 scoops. So we're going to find our measuring spoon, measuring cup. And then we're going to go ahead and grab some water. So go ahead and follow me to the office because we have a little water fountain here. Get that fresh purified water, all right? And now let's go ahead and go back. And we're going to just pour it right here, all right, into the bowl. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix it up. And when you use the Follow Your Heart eggs, I want to let y'all know you want to follow the directions. Don't add more and don't add less. Follow it to the T. I tried messing around and also like winging it. It doesn't come out right. You have to follow the directions with this vegan egg. All right. So you're just going to mix it around. We're going to do this first. And what else? You don't want to add any seasoning to it. You want to do all the seasonings at the end, okay? I also realized that as well, because when you add the seasoning in there or anything in there, it doesn't come out right. All right. So what we're going to do is grab some coconut oil. Just spray a little bit in the pan, and then we're going to go ahead and pour it in. Now if y'all see here, it looks just like eggs. If you come closer to the pan, look right here, you're just going to let it sit there for a little bit, all right? Now let's go ahead and start with the Smart Bacon. So the Smart Bacon is very vegan friendly. Anything from Lightlife, actually, the brand Lightlife is very macro friendly. But when it comes to the bacon, this has a lot of protein, so we're going to put about 7 strips in there. And I believe with the 7 strips, it's going to equal up to about 14 grams of protein. So this is very high in protein, and we're just going to put this in the air fryer. All right. So we're just going to break this apart. one by one. Just lay it in there. And the air fryer is really great because it cooks a lot of things very fast, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and break this up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. And and another thing I like to add is how I keep track of my food. I use my Fitness Pal, all right? It's a great application to use. I'm just gonna pop it in there like that. Put it on like 15 minutes on high heat, all right? Now we're just gonna go ahead, put this back in the box. Put this away really quick. Now back to here. We're gonna grab a spatula. See if y'all see the other side. It looks really good. All right. So while that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and add some extra ingredients. Okay. So we're going to go back into the fridge. I have some white onions and some shiitake mushrooms, and we're just going to stir fry this right on the side of the egg. Okay. Give it a little bit more flavoring and seasoning. So we're just going to grab a little bit more coconut oil, spray that on the side. And I'm just going to use a little bit of onions. And I'm not counting the onions because it's very little that I'm going to use, okay? Same thing with the shiitake mushroom. I'm not going to really measure this just because it's a little bit, all right? Just a small little pinch. Go ahead and rinse this off a little bit. Add that in there. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and add some nutritional yeast. This is great for B12. Now we can start adding some seasoning to the actual egg, or the vegan egg. And then we're going to also add in some seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoned salt, for some more flavoring. Just like that. And then if you want to add any extra flavors to it, you could use like if you want to add like something like an actual cheese, you can do like a vegan cheese, but today's we're not going to use that. And I'm just making it as a scramble. Turn down the heat. Come in, put it in it. So we're going to go ahead, grab a plate. All right. We'll go here. We got our bacon. And then the last thing we're going to do is with the whole wheat bread. Open this up. Put it back in the air fryer just for like a minute. And with this bread, if we look at the macros, this one bun has about 22 grams of carbs, okay? So it's really, really low for like a whole bun, all right? So while everything's warming up, we're gonna go ahead and put everything away, and you have your bread. So now This is a fast, easy meal prep. You got your vegan eggs, your vegan bacon, and your bread. So I have it nice and set up for you. Go ahead and put it. Now if you like to go ahead and build this, only thing you gotta do now is just build your sandwich and you're good to go. So you just go like this. You could do it like open face if you like. Let's do open face just for the sake of the video. So you can do like your bacon on top and then just put your eggs on top of that. You can do open face or close. It's totally up to you. Alright, but if you want to have more bread and not have everything fall out, I would just do it like open face. And then everything else you have left over, you could definitely eat that. So it's all messy. Let's try it out. Really good. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. All the macronutrients and the recipe will be in the description box. And if you like today's video, please comment down below and like. With that said, hope you enjoyed everything that you saw today. Peace.